Hello, my name is Beth Dixon, and this is question 16 from Lesson 1 Homework. Let's read the problem. All books are 20% off the original price at the bookstore. If a book normally costs $120, what is the sale price of the book? Students tend to struggle with the word problems. There are a lot of different types of word problems, and in this case, they like to have one way to solve all of them. Sorry, there are too many real-world problems that have different. And what we're trying to teach you is how to use the tools that we provide to solve problems. So let's look at this one, and this one's a fairly common problem that you see in the real world, which is you go to a store, you purchase something, and it's on sale. And in the real life, you know how this works. It has an original price, it has a percent discount, and then you have what you will actually pay for it. In this case, let's think that through before we even start with any of the math part. So we have an original price. They're going to give us a discount. They're going to take some money off of the price, and then they're going to give us a sale price that's a reduced price that saves us money. And how are they going to determine what this sale price is? Well, they're going to take that original price, they're going to subtract that discount price, and that will give us then the sale price. No big deal. If I go in and the original price, the sale price is $10 off, I subtract $10 from that, that gives me the sale price. The problem in our case is that it's not as simple as a $10 off or a $10 coupon. We have a book that originally cost $120, and they're giving us 20% off, which is a percentage. So how do we work this when it is a percentage problem? So there are a couple of ways that we can do this, and depending on your teacher is the method that you will use. I'm going to do them both relatively quickly here. So if you need additional help, be sure to book an appointment with me, and the link should be provided in your e-learn. So when we do the original price and the discount price, this is our big picture idea. So now we're going to do it one with proportions and one with equations. And the equations are not as complicated as you think. It's just those are the words I'm going to use to describe them. So let's do it with proportions. And with proportions, we start with two fractions that are equal to each other. And one of them is always over 100 because we're dealing with percent. And this 100 always gets the percent. So when we read the problem, do we have a percentage sign? We sure do. And that's percentage. And that's percent, and it's 20. So that's going to give me 20 over 100. Then the second part of my proportion is always the part over the whole. The original of the discount, the part, the change over the original, the whole. And it will usually follow the word of. So when we say 20% off of what? The original price, which we said the original price is $120. So that would be $120. What we're looking for is the discount. So that would be X. And then with a proportion, what we do is we cross multiply. So that would be 100 times X and 20 times 120. So that would be 100X equals 20 times 120, which would be 2,400 divided by 100, which would give me X equals 24. Well, does that mean I'm going to pay $24? No, that's how much my discount is. That's the discount. So my original price would be $120. I'm getting $24 off, so that would leave me $96 as the sales price. And it is asking for the sale price of the book. It's not asking for the discount, it's asking for the sales price. So if I'm doing it like some of the teachers, this is doing it proportions. If we're doing it like some of the teachers do, they often use what percent of the total equals the part. And sometimes they use different words other than total and part. So your teacher may use different words there. In this case, they may say, like I say, those words vary and I can't match every teacher's word. So what percent, so that would be 20% of means times the total or the original. So that would be the 120 equals the part, or in this case, the discount. And I'm writing that off out of frame. So yes, I know it's out of frame, but don't worry. It just says discount. So what is 20%? Well, 20% needs to be written as a decimal. So that'd be 0.20 times 120 equals the word discount. And if I multiply 0.2 times 120, guess what you get? You get 24, and that equals the discount. And again, that goes back to our original idea, which is the original price minus the discount equals our sales price. And that's our lifetime experience that we know because we go and shop. And so what do? We take the original price, we subtract our discount, and gives us the $96 sales price. And this is question number 16.